The KTM RC390 is probably the most track-focused sports bike you can buy in the low-level beginner class. With 40 horsepower of power, it is an incredible machine to perfect the art of curves. Now, with more racing series starting to open around the world in this class, KTM has decided to give it an even greater advantage. The limited edition RC390R looks a lot like the RC390, but features fully adjustable front and rear WP suspensions, shorter intake funnels to expand the power band, folding CNC milling levers and a new, adjustable upper yoke assembly handlebar that takes the approach of driving comfort on the street and gives the bike a more attractive driving position. The SSP 300 kit contains more than 230 improved parts for the bike, including a complete Akrapovic titanium exhaust system, a race ECU, a STM sliding clutch, a quick shifter kit, a new wiring harness, spare wheels, a set of different gear options, a larger radiator and a race body kit made with light and strong materials.